Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been away for a while. I have been busy with other stuff, but hopefully I'm back to make more cooking videos for you all. Now today I will be sharing with you an easy recipe. Well, I think it's easy, but it is for you to judge. It is called Carnitas, or a Mexican slow cooker pulled meat, and it can be beef, or as far as I'm concerned it can also be pork. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have time, try and make it. Who knows? It has been a pleasure showing you on how to make carnitas. I hope you will try and do it yourselves. If you have any comments or any suggestions, feel free to comment down below. And if you like, you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, or like this video, or share it. It is up to you. Now, this has been Dave. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye for now.